So we did have a problem with the internet. We have been having issues with the internet on the whole morning. And now it seems like we are back. We are on chapter 5. Chapter 4 got screwed by the internet. The problem is there was something even weird because Sublime just closed. We didn't close Sublime, and Sublime got closed, and the internet went off. So we are having lots of obstacles to deliver this content for you. And when something gets too many obstacles, it's because it is good. The proof is this book, Geometry by Tatiana Alexeyevskaya, written a request from Mr. Israel Helfan, Moisevich. The idea is from the 80s, but uh, the book arrived to the public until 2020. So it took 30 years for this book to, from Israel Moisevich's request to her wife, until people like Caleb in South Mexico can put its hands on this book. Thank God I encountered this book. So, and lots of obstacles. This book went to a lot of things before getting into the public. And the book is amazing. So we are having problems, having lots of obstacles along the way. So that only means that we need to deliver the content because it's good. Will help somebody in the future, hopefully, to get started in the video game area. So perhaps now after comparing these stories, I will deliver some cuts, the videos. I will download the videos from my own channel, download since these are live. Cut the my talking when I am just complaining about the stuff and the essence, the game design and deliver it in one single video. So this is good. This is great. We are on the right track. We need to deliver CDRLs to the public. It is not an innovative video game. You can see this video game since the 80s, but if it is good for people to see that they can develop games by knowing how to program and using only web standards. We are not using anything else. So let's go back to Sublime. Now we are unable to open Sublime. We, we just need to restart this process. This is the good thing about these days. This Debian computer, it's inside the Windows computer, so we don't have to restart Sublime index. Now we are unable to. Now this thing isn't working. Is Sublime over here somehow? No, it isn't. So perhaps something else happened. Okay, you don't want to open Sublime from Debian. We have Sublime in Windows, so hey, we are able to use Sublime. Where is this Sublime? Sublime text just once. And we're back with some live coloring, lively coloring. It's still unregistered. We don't have money to budget for this. 0.5 over equipping we were equipping Melancholy with a weapon. Um, okay, an update. Okay, it says that respect semantic. Oh, what? Okay, okay, it says that it needs to be restarted. Let's restart this thing. Okay, we were we were equipping Melancholy with a weapon. Here it is. We have done endpoint one and then endpoint two. This perhaps this we need to decide what we are going to do. If we are going to go with a weapon or instead with gun endpoint. Uh, in we want to separate the couple things. We shall go with a weapon. Okay, plus weapon and we can construct weapon. Original link okay, here it is. Duplicate weapon. Okay, let me explain this thing. I want for this is not necessary. Uh, drawing these lines, this weapon, like we can throw missiles from over here, without the user, the player having to see anything, any of these. You know, you just program the lines and and if the person moves. By the way, this is a mobile first video game, so we are not providing any clicking capability right now. So they will need to enter my website in their devices, mobile devices, and play it over there. So if the now that I have the laptop in this close, I can touch the screen, to test this in order to avoid to block this to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. It's here on my website on my phone. I will do it at the end. So yeah, there's no need for this. This is like an extra word, if you will. Da 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 da. The old user touch. Now over here, and there's nothing wrong with that. Perhaps we want an effect of this thing move, rotating. Perhaps it's not necessary. And but we want to show that some geometry concepts in all this. But we ended using trigonometry instead to calculate these points. And just the other day, I opened trigonometry. Now we need to calculate this angle bisector. And throw the dart over here. Can we model this class? How can we model this class? Some winning, some angle. For example, these could be generated, these getters and setters, in order for me, in order for us not to write them, right? In the future, we are going to set up some to modernize our development, modernize our development. This is error from. Okay, as this Windows modifiers. Mm, 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 boom. Now we need to return the web home. Uh, web home. I started to get hungry. I'm not eating sugar, or at least diminishing sugar ingest. I committed myself to not eat a rice, 14 days, hard task, and tortilla, 14 days, which is a lot. I was no cookies, no milk. I'm just going to eat chicken, meat, and fruits. vegetables, mm, fish, if there is. There is some fish available. Let's allocate more code. This I'm gonna find two. We have this. Thankfully, we have this weapon. Now the drawer. The hero. Okay, I'm going to eat an apple right now, so we'll have to wait for. Okay, line to coordinate, and we need to get rid of this. We need to parameterize these colors, but we are probably just making any test. Mm, 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 mm. Why not learning in Scala? Okay, cortex. Mm, Okay, return. Mm. We don't, we won't be able to calculate this here in the radius. Just got lost in my thoughts. How we were calculating this endpoint, these coordinates the last time. What were we doing? We need to find this website again. How to. So it was, and the center of the lengthy was radius 2 times cosine of theta. Use coordinates plus radius 2 times mass cos. We're going to divide this line. need to set this. So ideally, this function will accept the angle, but the drawer, um, there shouldn't be any logic on the drawer in the drawer class. It's for painting purposes, so it will be only requesting. Uh, so I'm going to use site. I'll say if site equals what site equals what should should be studying algorithms instead. Whenever I Well, this is a good thing because this is leading me to mathematics and algorithms. So this exercise is amazing for me. 1.1. When you want to refactor code or avoid duplicate code, this another parameter is born. If we don't want to duplicate this code for design computation, we need to put this thing coordinate over here so we can switch. Uh, but a function should behave on a parameter, a value, regular. I like to design a program that going this way. Now we have this is messy. Look, in order for you to not be just seeing the screen, this is what is happening. And we are going to duplicate all this code for the sign application, for the application of the function sign, the same code. I don't like that. Let's have the coordinate. First, let's try to extract this. Const corpus radio.